Sir, stay on the orange tape. Make sure you speak loud enough for everybody to hear you if they ask you any questions. Thank you, sir.
Okay, will the lawyers please make their announcements?
Taylor Strauss for the state.
Brendan Fuchs, Danny De La Garza, and Jim Weed for the defendant, Your Honor.
Okay, and sir, you are Stephen Michael Clare? Okay, so what are we here for today, state or defense?
Yes, go ahead.
Defense has filed a motion for the discovery of the Child Protective Service records. So we're here for a hearing on that motion.
Okay, and defense?
Good morning, Your Honor. That is true. I believe the court has a copy in front of it. You have a copy, Tanner?
Yes, sir.
And Your Honor, may I tender you a protective order that both sides have signed?
Oh, okay, signed already. Okay, so the state does not have any issue with me signing the motion of discovery with the protective order?
Correct. It just
Okay.
has to be ordered before we can turn it.
Sure.
Thank you, Judge.
So, go ahead.
Just that we would tell you, Your Honor, that we just would argue that we have an essential need for it, that under 3914, we believe that it would be discoverable, and we just ask that you order the production of it and then sign that protective order, ordering us to not disclose it to anybody, which we won't do.
Okay, then I'll go ahead and grant that motion. And I will also sign the agreed protective order, already signed by both parties. And of course, just remain in compliance with that protective order, defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay?
I
So,
have the disc to turn it.
to turn over right now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so I've signed that. Now, are there any other matters that the parties wish to address at this time? Other than the protective order, the scheduling order?
Well, we've discussed that prior to approaching the bench, Your Honor.
If you can speak up,
The
Counsel,
the
sorry.
state has informed us that there is what might be called newly discovered evidence that is being processed at the present time. And that is additional evidence that would probably require us to file a motion regarding it. And I don't want to piecemeal file motions if it can be avoided, so we can finally set a motion hearing. But until that's processed, we're not going to be able to do it.
And as we informed the court at our last setting in August and the defense, the item that we're referring to is the firearm was located, and it has since been sent to the crime lab. We have requested both serology testing and firearms testing of that weapon, and so we have not received the results yet. There's a backlog at the crime lab, and so we're waiting for that. I'm going to ask that it be expedited.
I would suggest that the state do that. This is a capital murder, death penalty case, and I'm sure there's some sort of supervisor at the crime lab that can kind of jumpstart this.
Oh, that's correct. I can get it expedited.
Okay.
I wasn't sure until they just informed me the backlog turnaround time, and so when I leave here, I'll ask that it be expedited.
Okay, because I'll note that the scheduling order that we have right now is for the most part obsolete. We've passed so many deadlines that it's not feasible anymore.
Right.
So,
The state and the defense, we discussed prior to approaching the bench about after we get this evidence that perhaps we can get together and agree on a scheduling order to submit to the court for your approval.
okay, so for now then, as soon as you can contact the crime lab, get this matter expedited, get the results to the defense. Once you receive the results, then that should suffice for you to file your pretrial motions
Right. Correct, right.
if necessary, okay?
Right.
So right now, when would the next setting be then, Gloria? The next setting right now is scheduled for September 27th, and that was the questionnaire, which is, of course, ludicrous, right? So let's just reset it, 30 days, 45 days out? Let's do 45 days and see if that suffices, okay? And hopefully, we'll reset the matter for 45 days. If for any reason 45 days come up and you still do not have a result of the firearm testing by the crime lab, then let the court know,
I
okay?
will. Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, then that closes the record on this case for today, okay? Thank you to the
Thank you.
parties.
I'm gonna reset it for October 26th.
28.
Okay, October 28th at 9 a.m., okay? I'll see you all back here at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
on that day.